Okay. Time to do surgery on my Tonybot. So we're going to need the board, which we're going to replace, which is this board right here. And here is the Tobybot. So I'm replacing the main board, which is on the back here. So let's turn them over. You're going to do this, make sure you're connected and you are grounded before you start messing with any of this. Next is going to be to disconnect any power. So the power has been disconnected. Make sure there's no power anywhere. Good. Just turn it on and off. Make sure all the power has been drained. Yep. Okay. No residual power. Okay. Let's take this baby apart. A screw. Probably going to have to disconnect a servo. Okay, it's not coming out there the way I thought it was going to, so okay. Let me just pull that back. Okay, actually it gives me enough wire to play with, so I'm okay. All right, I can just fold that back. No need to unplug anything. Okay, looking at the replacement part. Totally de-static. Okay, there is the replacement. Okay. So this is the one that's coming out, and this is the one that's going in. So let's have a look at this one. Which looks like that. All the pins look straight. Okay. So this looks like it should just slide out. Easing it gently out the board, keeping the pins straight, and the pins are all straight. So this is the old one. So we'll replace the old one. Yeah, in case I have to send it back. Okay, so there's the old board, and here is the new board. Okay. Try not to touch the pins. I want to keep the pins as grease-free as possible. Okay. I always check both sides. You never want to force it, you just want to ease it into position. It will find its own way, okay? Yep. Okay. Feels like it's comfy. It's in. Okay. New board is in. All right, let's put the old board away. You never know, because it might not be broken. We won't know until we do a diagnostic. Okay, let's build it back together. Okay, there we go. And that is how you change the board on a Tobybot.